Hi, I'm Christy Wilhelmy with GardenNerd.com, and this is how to stake cucumbers. Now, ideally, you would like to put your cucumber trellis in before you plant your cucumbers, but either way, if you've got them in the ground already, you can still maneuver your trellis around it. Now, this is a metal trellis with an accordion fold, so it's easy to maneuver, and I've secured it into the ground. It goes down about a foot, and then I have these rebar stakes that are secured to the trellis to help keep it from blowing over in heavy winds. Now, your trellis will support the cucumbers. Cucumbers normally will try to grow up something and attach themselves to something because they have these little tendrils here, which is kind of fun, but they still need a little bit of guidance. So if you can come out in the morning or afternoon, whenever you're available, and help guide them around the trellis. These guys over here need to just kind of wind around, and then they're done. So if you still have trouble wrangling your cucumbers to a vertical trellis, you can use some floral tape or as twist ties if you want to. That's basically the gist of it on how to stake cucumbers. I'm Christy Wilhelmy with GardenNerd.com.